This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have Git installed and a target folder. Now start. Open command prompt, change directory to where you want the project, and copy the repository clone URL. Type git clone followed by the URL, for example git clone https://github.com/user/repo. Git. Press enter and watch files stream to your disk. Once done, Git creates a folder named after the repo. Make sure to check that folder exists and contains Git and source files before continuing. Now you'll refine the clone. If you need a specific branch, run git clone b branch name single branch URL so you do not fetch all branches. To save time and space, add depth 1 for a shallow clone. This grabs the latest snapshot only. If the repo requires authentication, prefer the SSH URL and ensure your SSH key is loaded. This avoids password prompts and tokens. Make sure to verify the branch with git branch or git status. After cloning so you're on the expected commit. Finish by entering the new directory and running git status to confirm everything cloned correctly. If you plan to contribute, set your user name and user email now so commits are attributed properly. If git clone failed, inspect the error. Authentication issues usually mean SSH keys or credentials need fixing, while network timeouts suggest proxy or firewall problems. One key troubleshooting tip. Try cloning with verbose output git clone verbose URL to see detailed errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.